Doolittle enclosed cargo trailer has just arrived at Midco Sales dealership in Chandler, Arizona. This model is a single-axle trailer that is 12 feet long and 6 feet wide. The V-shaped nose maximizes the interior space at the front of the trailer, and the aluminum stone guard protects the trailer from rocks and debris. The rear ramp is spring-assisted, making it very easy to raise and lower. There is also a lockable side door. The interior of the trailer has a dome light and recessed D-rings at each corner. This trailer has been upgraded with Doolittle's Platinum Appearance Package, which includes aluminum extrusions and aluminum wheels. Midco Sales is a Doolittle dealer. Visit us in Chandler, Arizona or online to see our entire inventory of Doolittle trailers.